Hey there, beauties. I am back again with another wig show and tell. And today's wig is brought to you by Kalai Hair. I'll be sure to leave a link below to this wig in their direct store. If I can get a coupon code, I'll be sure to leave it in the description box as well. When you order a wig from them, they send you some goodies in the box. So the wig came in that long clear plastic baggie. I also got a headscarf with some bird clips, wig caps, and some eyelashes. They also sent a animal print headband. Here is a close-up of what inside of the wig looks like. You get a 13x4 lace parting space. Behind the parting space, you get two combs, another comb in a nape area with adjustable straps. The cap material is a stretch fit material. As for the lace, it is already like lightly tinted to brown, so that's gonna help me blend in the lace much easier with a dark skin tone. As for the hair color, it is copper and it comes pre-colored for you, and it's also body wave. This is what the wig looks like straight out of the package. The length of it is 24 inches. The baby hairs, you don't get baby hairs all around the hairline. It just mostly come on the forehead. As for the hairline, it comes lightly pre-plucked, but the knots is not bleached. I'm not sure if you could go in and bleach the knots, but for this video, I am definitely not bleaching the knots. And the texture of this hair is on the silky side. Now I'm going to take a few pumps of my Paul Mitchell Super Skinny Serum and just rub this all over the hair. After I get a good amount all over the hair, I don't want too much on the hair because I don't want it to weigh down the hair. I'm going to go in with this 360 ml spray bottle. It just have warm water in it, and I'm just spraying the water all over the hair. I'm not making the hair super drenched, just really kind of wet. After that, I'm gonna go in and take sections and just blow out the hair. I am not a professional blower. I do not know how to blow hair like the Dominicans, but this works for me and it gets the job done. So I just take a few sections, run it through with the blow dryer, and I got some type of results, as you can see. All right, now that I'm all done blowing out the hair, it's not the best blowout, but I'm not really looking for the best blowout. I just wanted to be more straighter and get rid of that body wave. After that, I went in and did a right side part and lightly plucked the hairline. All right, you guys, so I am switching it up today. I am not doing me. I am going to use one of my very close friends named Diamond, and she agreed to be my model today. Thank you, Diamond. Thank you, Diamond. If you have time, say hey, Diamond. But this is the braid pattern that I did. It's not the best, but it's something. Right here, I'm just taking some gel and laying her edges back. After I do that, I go in off camera and wipe her hairline down with some alcohol. I put the wig cap on her. I'm using a brown wig cap and I'm going to do the ball cap method. On the sides, I tried to put some glue to just hold the ear tabs down by the wig cap, but for some reason, I just can't get rid of that clear residue, but in the end, it's not going to show through the wig. Now I'm going to take this micellar cleaning water and clean her hairline. The hairline on the wig is longer than her hairline, so I'm going to cut off some of the ear tabs. I part the hair into the shape of her ears, and then I go in with some eyebrow scissors and cut off all that extra lace. Before adding any product to the hairline, I like to cut the lace on the hairline in 3. So when I pull down the wig onto the glue, that's what helps me get it super flat on the glue. So now I'm going in and applying some Bold Hold glue. This glue smells like lemons. And I'm just using the back of a rat tail comb to smooth out the glue, and I'm applying really thin layers. I fast forward through most of the clip of the layers, but altogether I applied about 4 layers of glue. After I did all 4 layers back to back, I go in with the blow dryer and blow dry it until it turns completely clear. When wearing a wig, we don't need all that extra lace in the front, so to cut off the extra lace, I like to use eyebrow scissors. So Diamond would like some baby hairs, so I'm going to go in and add a few swoops of baby hairs. If you get this wig and you like this style, you do not have to go in and add any baby hairs. This is just optional. I'm showing you guys what I do in this wig show and tell, so you guys know how I got my client and results. After I take the baby hairs out, I'm going in with some Bedhead Hardhead spray right in between the hairline and the baby hairs. This just helps the lace melt in a little bit more with the skin, but also add a super hard extra hold. Now I'm going to take this Bold Hold Edge elastic band and put it directly on the hairline of the wig. This just helps push the lace into the glue more so you could get that melted effect, and it also holds the wig while I go in and add some curls. I'm going to use this Sebastian's Shaper Plus spray to hold the curls, and I'm doing big barrel heat curls. So here's how the curls look after I'm done using the curling iron. The curls isn't too neat and perfect, but it's okay because I was going to wrap it around this heatless curling tool anyway, and this just helps make the curl. Right here, I'm using makeup powder to help the parting space look a little bit more like scalp and hide the grids and knots on the lace. It is a bit brighter than her skin, but it's all I have, so I gotta try to work with that. All right, beauties, right here is my end results on Diamond, and I really feel like the hair color complements her. The color is not too bright, not too dark, and the best part is the wig come pre-colored. You get to skip the coloring step, which is definitely a process. Anyways, the hair density I would say is no more than 150%, which is a pretty good natural density. The hair length was 24 inches. I cut it down to about 18 inches on her. The lace is soft brown lace, which doesn't look too bad from far or up close. From start to finish, I didn't get any tangling with the hair, but I did get shedding, which wasn't heavy, but it did shed, which was pretty manageable to me. And I know me plucking the hairline is what also caused the shedding, but hopefully over time the shedding lay over. I do believe this wig is one size fits all, and Diamond Head is pretty small, but the wig fits snug and comfortable. I just hooked the adjustable straps in the nape area really close. But this is it. This is Diamond in her shy self. She worked it and did her thing. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. This is just a wig show and tell, and I'll see you guys later.